Hi, welcome to DTI Commercial Trucks in Wheat Ridge, Colorado. I'm Roman Carson. Today we're going to be going over some basic functionality, some safety, and some inspection points on a tuckaway liftgate. Let's get started. First thing on most of these gates that's important is a lot of them are equipped with a switch inside the cab that'll keep power on or off to the liftgate. Right now we already have ours turned on so we can save some walking, but usually it's a switch on the dash, either a toggle or a red pull switch. Just make sure you have that turned on. This particular gate is equipped with some safety chains here. Now in this position it's currently resting. We're going to want to get the weight off of it so I can release this chain. We'll switch here, go ahead and hit it up. Go ahead and unlatch that. Today we're working with a Maxon GPT4, which is a 4,000 pound level ride tuckaway liftgate aluminum platform. We'll get to that in a minute. As we're lowering this down, one thing that's very important, make sure to watch your toes, watch anything that could be under it, rocks or anything that could obstruct the way that it's coming down. Don't want to get your feet in the way, it could be pretty painful. As we get this all the way to the ground, notice it stops. It still has a power down motion. It powers up and it powers down. As we get there, we're going to go ahead and we're going to unfold this first section. It's pretty heavy. Again, watching your toes, watching your back. Unfold it. As you can see on this one, it does not come all the way to the ground yet. That's a special feature of this gate. Continue to power it down. It goes on the ground. You can now truck up your load, anything that's ready to go up into the truck. First motion that this liftgate does, as you can see, is it levels out. Very nice if you're hauling something that's sensitive to sliding off. It has wheels. This is a really nice function of that. We're going to continue to go up to the top. As you can see, we have a nice, even, level surface. You want to make sure that you use your ears to hear. When you're getting all the way to the top, you're going to hear the hydraulics straining a little bit. As soon as you get to that point, stop with the switch. You don't want anything to have an issue or break anything. So you see we're there right now. Go ahead and lower it down. Again, watching your feet, watching anything that could be in the way. Cool. Another thing we're going to talk about real quick is some inspection. This particular gate is equipped with 2 hydraulic cylinders. One thing you want to look for is you want to make sure that there's no leaks at these cylinders. You want to also look and see if there's any kind of scoring or scratching on them on the shiny metal part. Anything that indicates that you might have dirt in there. Now if you have a leak or oil comes out, dirt can go in, which can contaminate the fluid. It can damage these components, which would actually make the performance of this gate go down. And if you need, like this gate lifts 4,000 pounds, if you have damage to them, you have a heavy load on here, it might struggle. You could get yourself into a little bit of a problem. A little bit further underneath here, some of these gates, they're either underneath here or they're off to the side. This is where all the hydraulic fluid and components, the pump, everything is located. What you want to do is to get in there and check the fluid, see if it's dark. You want it to be nice red color, just like automatic transmission fluid. You want to check it for any kind of bubbles, any kind of foam, which would indicate that you have any air in there, which you'd want to have somebody check for leaks. Also, you want to see if there's any kind of dirt. If the fluid's dark, have that serviced periodically to keep it up. We're going to go ahead and fold this gate up. First thing I'm doing is just lifting it level. Again, don't throw your back out doing this. There are springs to help fold it over, but on this first one, make sure you lift it properly so you don't hurt yourself. Watch your fingers and toes. Nice and smooth there. Actually, if you look up here, there's a set of springs. These springs here, you want to also check these in case they've ever been broken or snapped. These are just like helping a garage door lift up. They're going to go ahead and it's going to help you fold it over. So if they're broken, it could cause it to fall or drop and again, hurt yourself. So check those out periodically as well. We're going to continue to lift it up. Again, listen to the hydraulics. When you hear it get up to the top, you hear a little bit of strain or squeaking. You want to stop. Very important thing to do here now is if you have it in this up position, these chains, not only do they help for safety, but they also give it something to rest on. When you're going down the road, you're hitting bumps, all the hydraulics with all that pressure, you could damage them. They're going down the road bouncing. So you want to go ahead, let a little pressure off, kind of rest it on those chains. This is in a good position to be driving. That's as far as we need to go. So thank you very much for listening. If you have any questions, check us out at dtitrucks.com.